Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Starship Props is probably one of the most captivating aspects of the Star Trek universe, isn't it? From the sleek lines of the Enterprise to the intricate details of the Klingon Bird-of-Prey, these props have become synonymous with adventure and exploration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Star Trek props, exploring their design, significance, and the impact they've had on science fiction. Number 5. QMX Star Trek TNG Communicator Badge Replica. This is a replica of the TNG Communicator badge. The molds were painstakingly restored in our artisan model shop. It's a perfect recreation of the original. Using the restored molds, we replicated the prop's size and shape exactly. You'll find it's a perfect match to the original. We studied an actual screen-used badge to get the colors and paint details right. The design matches the original perfectly. The replica is rendered in gold and silver finished metal. It gives the badge a premium look and feel. What sets it apart is the clasp, which uses strong, short-field magnets. They are embedded in the badge in a glossy back plate. The magnet dimension is 2 × 1.65. What we like. This badge is crafted using the original molds, ensuring an exact replica of the prop size and shape. The screen-accurate details, meticulously studied from screen-used badges, bring authenticity to your collection. If you are a stickler for detail and want a wearable piece that's as close to the original as possible, you should consider this. What people say. The badge is fairly heavy. It's not a cheap plastic cast, but rather metal, stainless. Not sure actually, that has some heft to it. It has a magnetic back that keeps the badge firmly in place. This communicator badge is absolutely gorgeous, and yes, granted it is just a magnetic pin, but when you actually hold it in your hand it feels like it actually is a comm badge. This particular piece from quantum mechanics has it all. The depth and 3D look to it is spot on, the colors shine perfectly, and it has that quality feel to it when in your hand. It raised the look and detail of that costume to a much higher level. The heavy mag is solid and I never feared for it to fall off or even move around. I also like it because I can put it on things like jackets, vests, and backpacks. Number 4. Diamond Select Star Trek, the original series communicator. For over 40 years, the original Star Trek has captivated audiences. This communicator is a faithful replica of the iconic device from the series. The design of this communicator has influenced the cell phones we use today. It's a piece of history that still feels futuristic. This replica features the authentic sounds from the Star Trek series. You'll feel like you're right there on the bridge of the Enterprise. The communicator has a classic flip-open top, just like in the show. It's a perfect collectible for any Star Trek fan. To fully enjoy the communicator, remove it from the box and take off the plastic strip. Then, you can listen to all the sounds. What we like. This communicator features authentic sounds from the original series, bringing the show to life. The flip-open top adds to the realism, making it a joy to handle. If you are looking for a fun, interactive prop that captures the essence of the original series, you should consider this. What people say. DST came through though and delivered something more akin to a prop replica than a toy. Out of box you could comfortably display this as a prop and most people would never be able to tell. The look and feel of the item is just like holding the item straight out of the TV show. The sound effects and callback feature are great. Number 3. Diamond Select Star Trek Communicator. From Diamond Select, this is a replica of the communicator from Star Trek, the original series. The design of this device inspired the cell phones we use today. This is a Diamond Select release, ensuring high quality and attention to detail. It's a must-have for any Star Trek fan. This communicator is a piece of science fiction history. It's amazing to think that this device inspired the technology we use every day. This communicator features authentic sounds from the original Star Trek series. You'll feel like you're right there on the bridge of the Enterprise when you use it. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the series, this communicator is a great addition to any collection. Get yours today. What we like. This communicator features authentic sounds from the original series, bringing the show to life. The iconic design is instantly recognizable. If you are a fan of the original series and want a prop that's both fun and iconic, you should consider this. What people say. Unit came nicely packed and packaged with working batteries. Nice construction, albeit plastic as expected. Motorized spiral pattern is very cool and the voices and sound effects are clear, of good volume and wonderful. Number 2. Polar Light Star Trek Enterprise Reliant Model Kit. Behold the USS Enterprise Reliant, a legendary starship from Star Trek. This model kit allows you to build a detailed replica of the iconic vessel. This is the Wrath of Khan edition, celebrating a classic Star Trek film. It's a must-have for any fan of the franchise. The model is crafted at a 1:000 scale, providing an impressive size and level of detail. You can proudly display it after you've built it. This is a prop replica model kit, designed to closely resemble the ship seen on screen. It's a faithful recreation of the original. The kit is designed for easy assembly, making it a fun project for model enthusiasts. It's a great way to spend your time. What we like. This model kit allows you to build your own USS Enterprise Reliant from the Wrath of Khan. The 1:000 scale provides a detailed and impressive display piece. If you enjoy model building and want a detailed replica of a classic Star Trek ship, you should consider this. What people say. It's a great kit, easy to assemble, accurate and really value for the money. I'm very happy that it came with the battle damage decal sheet. Now I can match up with the Enterprise refit to do a nice scene with both kits. Easy to assemble, don't really need glue, but I did glue some parts manual decals. Despite its size, this model has quite a lot of detail crammed into it, and for someone like me who is rapidly running out of display space, the smaller is actually the better. Number 1. Star Trek Spock with Ears Crew Socks. These Star Trek socks feature the iconic Spock ears. They're perfect for any fan who wants to show off their love for the series. These socks are officially licensed Star Trek merchandise. You can be sure of the quality and authenticity of the product. Made with a comfortable blend of materials, it's designed for all-day wear. The sock size is 10 to 13, fitting shoe sizes 6 to 12. The socks come in a vibrant blue color. The design is eye-catching and will make a statement. These socks make a great gift for any Star Trek fan. They're a fun and practical item that anyone would appreciate. What we like. These socks feature a fun Spock ears design, perfect for any Star Trek fan. The comfortable fit makes them ideal for everyday wear. If you like to subtly show off your love for Star Trek, you should consider this. What people say. The Vulcan ears hold up nicely. The socks were made of good quality with an excellent print of Spock. The Spock ears are soft, stand out from ankle of the sick. They are great socks, great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.